So the next one is a container shaped like a right circular cylinder having diameter 12 centimeter and height 15 centimeters full of ice cream. So there is a container which is cylindrical in shape, diameter is given so that we can find the radius, height is also given. And from that cylindrical container we are taking out ice creams to the cone. Okay, imagine that a ice cream seller is scooping out the ice cream to the cone. And he is emptying the cylindrical tin to the cones, and the cone is having a height of 12 centimeter, diameter 6 centimeter, and for the specialty of the cone is it is having a hemispherical shape on the top. The scoop of the ice cream will be forming a hemisphere on the top, isn't it? So just imagine the cone top, not the cone top, the ice cream which we are buying from the ice cream seller by vanilla, chocolate, like that. So there will be a cone filled cone together with a hemispherical portion on the top. And the question is to find how many number of such cones which can be filled with the ice creams. So he or she is going to emptying the cylinder into the cones, and the question is to find the number of cones in which the ice creams can be filled. So the ice cream is filling from the cylindrical tin. So volume of the cylinder will be equal to the ice cream filled in the cones. Suppose we are taking n cones, okay, to fill the ice cream. So that n into volume of cones will be equal to volume of the cylinder, isn't it? N into, if we are filling the ice cream to 3 cones, 3 times the volume of the cone will be equal to volume of the cylinder. We don't know how many cones are there. The question is to find how many cones are there. For that purpose, we are taking n as the number of cones. Then the equation is n into volume of the cone will be equal to volume of the cylinder. So here there are actually 3 shapes. One is cylinder in which the ice creams are there. Its radius will be 12 by 2, which is 6 centimeter. Height is given 15 centimeter. Second one is a conical shape. For the cone, height is given as 12 centimeter. Diameter is given as 6 centimeter. Then the radius, let it be 6 by 2, 3 centimeter. And there is one more shape, isn't it? Hemisphere. For the hemisphere is on top of the cone, so that radius of the hemisphere will be equal to the radius of the cone, which is 3 centimeter. And what we have to equate? Volume of cylinder, that is volume of ice cream, full ice cream, will be equal to n into volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. How the sum came? Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. We are filling into the cone so that there is a hemispherical portion on the top, isn't it? So 1 cup of ice cream means it is the sum of the volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder. What's the formula to find volume of cylinder? It is pi r square h. So pi small r square h is equal to n into volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi capital R square capital H plus volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi into capital R cube. Okay, from the right side, what is common? 1 by 3 is common, pi is common, R square is common, and n is there outside. What is the balance? 1 by 3 came out, pi came out, R square came out. So the balance term in the first one is H. And from here, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 came out, so 2 is there, pi came out, R cube. From R cube, R square came out, so there is an R. What will get cancelled? Pi will get cancelled. Substitute the value, small r square is 6 square. 6 into 6 into, what is H? H is 15. Is equal to 1 by 3 into, what is capital R? Capital R is 3 into n. We have to find again, capital H is 12. Plus 2 into R, 2 into 3, which gives you 6. Here 3 and 3 can be cancelled. So what we are getting is 6 into 15 is equal to 3 into n into, what is 12 plus 6? 12 plus 6 is 18. So 6 times 3 gives you 18. So 3 times 2 gives you 6. 3 times 5 gives you 15. So left side 2 into 5. And right side it is n. So n is equal to 10. So how many cones can be filled? Cone in the sense, cone is having a conical portion plus a hemispherical portion. So how many such cones can be filled if we are emptying the cylindrical cup filled of ice cream? 10 cones. Okay, 10 cones can be filled with the given volume of ice cream.